behind the bowling alley looking for mushrooms. A couple dead elms, and then I come across this back in the woods. Cat food, water, a couple spoons. Then you look around, you got another little hut over here. Kind of different. I don't know what's in there. Possibly cats. There's another one. There's another one. Got this big platform here. Got a tent. Got a little stuffed animal that's a dog. Got a bunch of... Someone has a lot of cats out here. I don't know what these are. Might be... I don't know. Seems every day I go out and look for mushrooms, I find something different. It's kind of odd. Not very far into the woods, there's the parking lot. Little campsite. Been running into these. There's the bowling alley. Things you stumble across. Homeless. Apparently with a lot of cats. Somebody loves their animals. There goes a cat right there. Right down that trail. Out looking for morels, and I always find something else still interesting. I'll start putting my finds on YouTube. See what's in here. Signing off. Till the next video.